Hey everybody, it's Mary. My dog is in the background fluffing the blanket. She will do this excessively until she finds the right spot on the bed. I have another unboxing for you today. This is actually a pretty sizable box. Frankie, lay down. This is a pretty sizable box. It is the Cat Lady box. I'm actually super excited about this one. I've seen a few unboxings on YouTube, but I've never actually gotten one. So I'm really super excited. It has like cat themed things in it. It usually has a couple toys for your cat. Let's see what's in here. On opening it, let's see if I can do this. This is a big box. This is what I see. Hopefully you guys got a good view of that because I couldn't see where the camera was. And my desk, as we know, is not very large, so just scoot that back. Okay. The first thing I see is this, which is super duper cute. And it is called Snow Angel Cat Family by Krista Smith. And this just basically says everything that's in the box, but I'll put this right over here so that we know what price points are, things like that. The first thing I see is a little snowman ball. My dog thinks every box is for her now. It's super fuzzy and cute. It is $3.99, and it says, "It wouldn't be winter without a snowball fight. Your kitties can bat and toss the cute catnip snowball around." It's very cute. Oh, the next item looks like a cat toy as well. This is the super extra fun felt cat toy, and it is a wand with a ribbon. And really bad at opening things, but we're working on it. I'll get better, I promise. Ooh, this has like a super long ribbon on it. It like never ends. This is awesome. I would say it's probably 3 or 4 feet. Say 3 maybe. Okay, and the next items are all for the cat owner. Okay, and these are a set of kitty pens. These are crazy cute. And the cat pen set is $5.99, and these say that they are special for the Cat Lady box. I absolutely love anything office supply. I collect them in mass quantities, but I don't have anything this cute. I am loving this. Sorry, she's a very vocal dog. The next item is a cat mug. And the cat mug is worth $11.99. I am obsessed with tea mugs. I actually collect them. So I'm very excited about this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's like a simple white mug. And it has cat ears. How adorable is that? And this looks kind of like a tail. I love that. Frankie, it's not for you. Sorry, she's extremely vocal. You definitely know what she wants when she wants it. Oops. And the last item in the box is a hoodie. It's like a lightweight hoodie, and it's got a cat on it. Can you guys see that? This is just super duper soft. I love anything that is soft, And the retail value of this is $39.99, and then it's exclusive to this box, as is this cup and the pen set. Oh, everything in the box is exclusive just to this box, which is awesome. So you can't get it anywhere else. But I will link everything down below as far as price points go, things like that. I think this box is totally worth it. It has really great quality items in it, and it's kind of a treat every month for you and your pet, which that's exciting. I love something for myself in my pet's boxes, which I don't usually get, which is really nice. But that is everything in my box. I would show you, but the box is so large. But have a great day, guys. Bye.